So let's take a look at Ethereum, because Bitcoin is indeed leading the market, but Ethereum is a little bit weaker. But Ethereum is testing some interesting levels. So on this move down, Ethereum has held the 0.618 Fibonacci, and the Fibonacci is drawn from the March 2020 bottom up to the last high on the daily chart, the all-time high over there. And what I would like to see is this level basically hold. One problem I see is that support gets weaker every time it's being touched, and every rally after that was basically weaker. So for now, I think we have to consider that this is still a bearish trend, and we aren't out of that bearish trend until we break a high. So we have to print some higher low and higher high to confirm that trend. But the bounce is nice. So what you could do is, if you are looking for a short, you don't want to do that here because price is at a support and it's bouncing from that support, but maybe look for another opportunity to short. And over here, this blue line, this one lines up with the 55 EMA if you want that on your own chart. And as you can see, it acted as a resistance in this trend before. And I think if you are looking at the daily chart and you want to short Ethereum, this might be the spot to do it. So wait for price to make that upward move again and tries to test another resistance, but maybe it fails and then continues down. There is some local resistance here around 2015, but we can see that better if we zoom in. And same for this one. Look for levels that are being rejected. I think this one is a key level at 2015. Maybe if it touches and rejects, that gives a good opportunity to short. But as you can see over here, it was already rejected and led to that move down. So this impulse move might happen towards that level, but could also lose momentum at some of these moving average on the 4-hour time frame. So the 55 EMA could work, 100 MA could work to short into. And I'm not really interested in longing an impulse move like this. Similar to Bitcoin, Ethereum makes the impulse move from the lows, but it's really impulsive and just buyers stepping in and squeezing some shorts out. So before I step into longs, I really want to see some kind of trend. And there is only 1 hour, you can see some kind of trend forming where it has higher lows and it might print higher highs. But if you want to jump in a trend, wait for that low, wait for that higher low here. And I think if Ethereum pulls back, 1850 might give a good opportunity. And that's what often happens when the market is really oversold and shorts get really eager because it's easy money. They get squeezed out, and you can see these lower time frame rallies on altcoins happen. And the market structure in general is quite bearish, but you can still play that small bounce on an altcoin chart. You just have to look for these low time frame trends. So 1850 would be interesting for a retest because that was support before and it acted as some kind of resistance there. So look for support holding at that zone, and it can maybe give a nice small alt window where it rallies. Don't expect bigger daily trends. Take profits, move stops up to protect those stops, to protect those profits if you are, and don't try to long it into daily resistances. So especially 2015 or even higher, around 2100 would be a bad level to start longing, because those levels could act as big resistances, and you're basically buying the top there if it continues to trend down. So that's Ethereum here.